We'll guide you through how to create a poll on Facebook. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Facebook, so it can be really cool to go and create a poll, as you can go and find out what people think. For example, you may want to go and add some pictures and say what you think looks better, or maybe you're interested in finding out what people go and prefer, like their favorite foods or something like that. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. It's important you watch this full guide, as there are different ways you can go and create a poll. So after you go and watch this, you can then decide which poll you want to go and make and who you want to go and get it to. So to go and get started, you want to come to the home page on Facebook. So you can go and press the home button in the bottom left or maybe the top left. Then what you want to do is, for the first way, is going to be making a poll on your Facebook story. So you can go and press create story over to the left here, or you can press the plus in the top right and you can go and press story. Now, there are different ways you can do this. You can choose one from your gallery you want to use, like a photo. You can take one now by pressing the camera in the top right, or you can choose from this row of options. I'll choose text. So I could go and type in vote here, like so. Then you can go and choose the font and the color, etc. I'll just press done for now and just resize this. You can go and change the background pressing canvas at the bottom, and you can then swipe across and choose what you think goes and looks best, like this. Now what you can do is I'll just go and pinch that to resize it. To go and start on the poll, you need to press stickers at the bottom left. Then you can find the option for poll, search for it if you can't find it, and go and tap on it. Then what you could do here is you can go and ask a question. So I could go and type in, do you like gaming, like this? Then you can go and press done, and you can then go and position it where you want it, like this. So then people can go and see the story and they'll be able to go and vote. I'll press share in the bottom right and it'll go and upload. So that's the first way of how you can go and do this. For the next way, you need to go and head to the bottom right of Facebook and you can go and press profile. It may be the top right on some devices. Then you can press the three lines in the top left. Now in shortcuts, you want to go and find the option for groups. You may need to go and press see more to go and see them, and you can then go and press groups. Find the group you want to do this in. For example, I may want to do it in the example group at the top here. Then what you can do is where it says write something is you can go and tap there, and then you can go and swipe up and you can go and find the option for poll and you can go and tap there. Now what you can do is go and ask a question. So I could go and say, what's your favorite? I'll then put a question mark in, and then you can start adding options for your poll. So I could put option 1, I could go and put dogs. Option 2, I could put cats, and you can add photos to the right there as well. So you can go and keep on adding this in. Then what you can do, if I go and close out of this, is that you can go and choose the settings. I don't want members to add options, and I don't want people to go and choose multiple options. Well, actually, it could be useful for them to add them. Then you can press done in the top right, and you can go and say, once again, you could go and add a caption. I could put vote like that. Then what you can do is when you're ready is go and press post in the top right, go and wait, and I'll go and show you what it looks like. As you can see, there is the poll. So there we go. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again.